very tired. Long days and even longer nights.
Same thing. I'm happy for QD out there.
Yeah, I think he's waking up.
Oh yeah, I saw him doing some push-ups over there.
Yeah, oh really?
Yeah, he's getting ready.
Yeah, he's getting ready to start pushing. Maybe he's getting some speed back.
Yeah. I just got here. As soon as I landed, I went and did some photo shoots with the team. It went well. I was pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. I was half awake for all that, but now I'm awake. Is this a light switch? Let's try it. It's like the bathroom light switch. All right, but so yeah, after that I came back, took a shower, got nice and comfy, and I think I'm gonna sleep. I'm running on, like, I've been awake for 33 hours so far, and I'm surprisingly alert, so I feel like I need a little nap and then to get cozy. But tomorrow is a free day, so I don't really have to do anything tomorrow. I can do whatever I want, so I'm gonna go enjoy it with Chug. Me and him are gonna go do some adventures. I'll film that. we've made it. We got a practice session in already. Today was practice. We're just figuring out the track. It has a nice little flow to it. I keep pushing a little hard in areas and crashing, but you know, you gotta. Well, me and Chug tried our best. Chug was pretty consistent throughout the racing. I was fast, but I went out quick, so I just got to work on that consistency, see how it goes next time if I'm out here again. I would love to be out here again. Had a great time at the DCL racing out here in Abu Dhabi. It's been beautiful, so many sights to see, so many people to meet. It's been a great experience. I think for now, though, me and Chug are just going to watch the rest of the race. It's going on back here behind me. And just enjoy ourselves, enjoy the last 2 days we have in Abu Dhabi, and make the best of it. So thank you. Tom, I'm making this video. We found your jersey. It's being held hostage. It's gonna be $3,000. I'm sorry.